Guess we got a water leak over here in 110. We went here to see what it is. Water in the hallway or something. I don't know. Let's go check it out, bro. I'll give her kudos, man. She's trying. She's trying, because I kind of ripped her about not calling me about water leaks. She saw the work order for the water leak in the hallway, or from the ceiling. I've already talked to the girl early this morning. We were texting back and forth because she put on there no entry. So I have to get permission to enter. So anyways, I'm already in contact with the lady. I can't go over there until after 3 o'clock. But I thought it was funny. I get over there because sometimes I just don't pay attention, you know. I get all the way over there and I've already spoken to the girl. Oh well. Let's go do some vent pipe, man. Let's get this furnace running. Well, we're back here on this furnace. Let's see if we can get this this vent line, get all this vent installed. Go from there, man. Well, she's running. The gas line put in. Vent pipes. I always do a double seal on it. I always seal them up. Just give a little extra protection, especially when it comes to tenants. You know, they don't knock them loose or whatever. Even though there's 2 screws per fitting. You know. Anyways, I just do a little extra. But yep, she's up and running. Woohoo! Sit down, bro. We gotta go look at a water leak. Man, that thermal camera. That's a freaking lifesaver, man. So I go in there, I run everything in the water in the bathroom. She said she got a little spot of water, a lot of water on the floor. So I'm thinking he got leaked, right? So I go in there and I'm looking. I went upstairs to the unit above her. This is 2-story. I ran the bathtub hot water, the sink hot water, flushed the toilet twice. You go back downstairs to use thermal camera, nothing. The hottest spot I found was 68 degrees, and it was in the corner because no airflow. Nothing, right? So she shows me a picture, because there's an access panel in the roof, the ones like I put in. So she shows me the picture. It's 2 drops of water. And she goes, I saw that after I took a shower. Oh my gosh, man, it's condensation. Got to run that vent. But she said had the door open, she had the vent on. Okay. You never know, man. You never know. I mean, it was running for a good, probably about 10 minutes, run solid, no leaks. Over here on these outlets, I'll show you what's up. So, little Klein tester, man, I love this thing. Anyways, it's a GFI tester, outlet tester, whatever. So all of these outlets on this wall go around to that outlet, okay? Well, that outlet's a GFI because that's the bathroom. So there's no outlet in the bathroom, so that's got to be GFI protected because it's within 5 foot of water. But if anything's on this outlet or wall, watch, just lost power. So we have to go over here and reset it. Good to go. I love them simple ones. That garbage disposable leaking. Go check it out. This is another one of those contractor screw ups. The pipe is not long enough. I'm gonna see if I can adjust it. May have to go get another one. We'll see. Nope, not long enough. See? It needs to be at least 3/4 to 1 inch longer. So we'll have to go over to Lowe's and get us a new one. I love these contractors, man. Easy peasy fix. I just got it, the new one, 1 inch longer. No big deal. I got that done. No big deal. Easy peasy. I'm gonna go ahead. I bought 2 brand new LED lights for the hallways because I got 2 lights that are out. Once they go out, man, you can't fix it. And then on the outside around the building, I got about 7, 8 light bulbs that are out. I noticed them, but no one else put a work order in for them. Like, whatever. But so I go ahead and get these light bulbs replaced. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes, man. You know me, man. There's always something crazy to get into. Oh, we gotta go look at that refrigerator. The one I got, the maggot fridge. It's not working. Gotta check it out. We got some meaners in there. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not. That's a whole hornet's nest in there. One's dead. I got one flying around out here. Let's see how many's in there. Let's see if I get bit today or not. Ooh, there's a couple in there. The hornets, man, they bite you. Little suckers. I don't know if I can get that out or not. I see one right there. He's crawling around. Let's see if I get that lid up. Ooh. Granny's mad. Let's see if I get bit on this. Got them lights done. Now I went ahead and replaced the 2 round LEDs in the hallway. Just, it's safety, man. It gets a little dark in there. But, well, I'm going to go to lunch, man. Then we'll mess with that fridge. Come back. We'll see you in a minute. And there's that refrigerator that I just fixed. Boom with all the maggot eggs in it. It's not working again. Check this out. See that? See the debris? I'm gonna pop it back off. I bet it's covered. Let's see what's up. Whoops. So I'm always trying to make these videos the best as I can. We're coming off the GoPro, going back to the cell phone. My video's a little shaky, so I'll show you what I got. Got me a gimbal for my cell phone. Let's see how this works out. I got a new cord coming from my wireless mic, so we'll make them better. I'm trying, guys.